Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you my channel. So yeah, this is my channel. I have 2 subscribers and I have one video. Views are not this video has no views. This sad, but we can see there is my video. Yeah, lonely girls after work routine, and I got like this. But this video, I posted this video yesterday at 11 April. So I commented, "Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Mari. So it's my first video." The video's name is Lonely Girls After Work Routine. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe and like. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like for more videos. This is information video, but not a role playing thing. So I just really want, yes, today, this is information video, and today video is coming soon, but this is only information video, but not today's video, okay? Yeah, so please subscribe there. You can subscribe there, but I can't because this is my channel. There is 2 subscribers, me and my best friend. Okay, so hope you enjoy it. Bye.